Hi class 9 student, this is targeted preparation, lecture 14, unit 6, gravitation. First of all, we are going to make the list of all important questions from 5 year and here is the list. Now students, let's solve the only one question from the section C. This question from the year of 25 and 24. Newton's law of gravitation स्टेटमेंट देनी है हमें which is for 2 marks. How can this law used to drive the formula for calculating the mass of earth and the derivation of mass of earth which carries 4 marks. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Now let's check how to solve and what is the technique to solve this question. Now write the side heading of Newton's law of gravitation and state the law as it is with a blue pen. Every two bodies of the universe attract each other with a force of which is directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now we are going to write down the mathematical form, and this is the mathematical form, and this is not enough. We are going to describe this formula. What is F? F is gravitational force. What is capital G? Capital G is the universal gravitational constant. Capital M is the mass of one body and small m is the mass of another body, and r square, r is the distance between them. Now write down the side heading of mass of earth. We know that हमें क्या पता है, when an object of mass m, small m is the mass of an object, is near the surface of the earth, its weight is F is equals to mg. But according to Newton's law of gravitation, F किसके बराबर होता है, कैपिटल G कैपिटल M upon R square, where capital M is the mass of earth, R radius of earth, now since both expression represent gravitational force equal them, तो जब हम इसको equate करेंगे F is equals to F, एक F क्या था, weight of an object which is mg, and second one is the gravitational force, capital G M small m upon R square. This is the small m and this is also a small m, mass of an object. We can cancel both of them, then we can get G is equals to capital G M upon R square, and then we can rearrange them and we get M is equals to G R square upon capital G. M is the mass of earth, hence it is the formula of mass of earth.